right now we have a carbon tax in Ontario. We'll have a new version of that carbon tax next year in 2022. But whether we look at today's version or next year's version, only about 9% of gas emissions from that gas generation will be taxed.
Wow.
91%, therefore, is basically exempt. There's a long history as to why that is. But the bottom line is that it is so lax and exempts such a large portion of current and future emissions resulting from gas generation, which is the only emitting form of electricity generation we have right now in Ontario, that is really not going to make a big dent. It's not going to correct for the policy and political mistakes that we've talked about that have led to this reversal of fortune, sort of like from us 20 years ago in Ontario being kind of like middling in terms of our cleanliness of the grid, to being a world leader. And the result of these policy and political decisions is now we're going in reverse. And this is in the context of the IPCC report that came out earlier this week that, we should do more and better. And after the heavy lifting that we've all gone through in Ontario, we're actually going backwards. And that is very, very disappointing.